Now on to future passives. We can make passives in the same way as for any tense. Make this into a passive sentence, but think carefully. I will kill the monster. The answer is, the monster will be killed. You have to remember that the infinitive of a verb without to follows will, like all modal verbs. So the monster becomes the subject, then will, then the infinitive of to be without to, so just be, then the past participle of the active verb, killed. Now you can easily make a yes-no question from this. Will the monster be killed? The first part of the verb cluster comes before the subject, and the first part is will. Now make a subject question. What will be killed? The subject, monster, changes to what? Now make a question that begins with how. How will the monster be killed? Easy, right? Now let's try the going to future. Make this sentence passive. The boys are going to cook the food. Follow the rules that you have learned. The food is going to be cooked. Food is the new subject. We put the verb be into the going to future. We use is for food because it's a singular noun. Then we add the past participle of cook. Now write a yes-no question. Is the food going to be cooked? Is the first part of the verb cluster, and it comes before the subject. Now ask a question that begins with when. When is the food going to be cooked? Making passives from modals is the same as making them from will future. Here's a sentence for you to change into the passive. You can buy spices here. The answer is, spices can be bought here. Now make a yes-no question. Can spices be bought here? I hope you're now finding this very easy. Write a subject question now. What can be bought here? Now ask a question that begins with where. Where can spices be bought? Make this sentence passive. We should analyze the data. The answer is, the data should be analyzed. Should and might and may and all the other modals all work in the same way. For some more practice, try the activity sheet attached to this video and check your answers. Good luck!